name is Keith Rolls. I work for Wavin Plastics and I am logistics trainer and MHE controller. We manufacture 100 tonnes of product a day. We load 70 lorries a day. We pick 10,000 lines a day of product. We have to get these items out to the customer on time.
I'm Dean Bedard. I'm the after sales manager for Linde and I'm responsible for Linde national tyres throughout the UK. My key responsibility is to provide a national tyre service solution for Linde customers throughout the UK, supported by the Continental brand of tyres. Seeing how the site operated and understanding the customer's needs, we decided we needed to come up with a bespoke solution, which involved the Continental CS Easy tyre. The CS Easy was an ideal fit for Wavin as it offered both practical and flexible fitting as well as extended wear life. The unique tyre adapter is fitted to the wheel which stays on the truck for the life of the contract. This allows us to utilise resource on site to replace tyres with just the use of a torque wrench and a jack. Whenever the need arises, we can fit tyres quickly, ensuring we get Wavin's trucks up and running as soon as possible.
Linde proposed the Continental CS Easy tyre as a solution to our historic tyre problems, which was great for us. It meant we could have tyres replaced quickly due to the concept of this new tyre. This meant no waiting for tyre presses, which could often take too long. This was of great benefit to us at Wavin as it ensured productivity of the trucks was kept to a maximum.